So guys, this is the easiest way to close your Mashreq Neo account using your app. Begin by logging in into your app. Click here where you see your account number and your account type. On this page, as you can see here on the screen, you will see your account and card details, your card control, your e-statements, plus more options like closing your account. So, before we actually close our account, this is very important. Tap here on the view uncollected charges. Here, you will view and see all uncollected charges. That means you cannot close your account before paying these fees. This includes monthly minimum fall below fees. Make sure you have enough funds in your account to pay for this. Go back here at the more options. Tap on it. Once you tap on more options, you will see here at option number 3 that we have close bank account. Go ahead and tap on it, and again here also tap on close my account. Wait for a few seconds for the bank to do some internal checks and then select the reason why you want to close your account. Guys, for the purpose of this video, let me select services and charges. And again here, I will select charges too high because I know most of you, this is the biggest reason why you would want to close your Mashreq Neo account. So, to finalize this process, tap on close my savings account and then submit. Wait for the confirmation email. Again, it's important to keep in mind that your account will not be closed if you have any uncollected fees. So, make sure to pay those fees before starting the account closing process. This is how you close your Mashreq Neo account using your Mashreq app. And if you want a good zero balance account that you can open online, watch the video that is up next.